Matrices Lecture 5.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss special properties of determinants. So, see our first property. The determinant of nilpotent matrix is G. So, what is nilpotent matrix? A square matrix is said to be nilpotent if there exists P belongs to N, then A power P is equals to 0. Here P is the index and that matrix A is called nilpotent matrix A of index P. Okay. So see here example, consider any nilpotent matrix. For example, A is equals to AB minus B square A square minus A. So is nilpotent matrix. Then determinant of this matrix. See here determinant of A is equals to determinant of AB minus B square A square minus A. So clearly this is what? Minus A square B square plus A square B square. So clearly it becomes 0. Therefore determinant of A is what? 0. So clearly from this we can say that the determinant of nilpotent matrix is always 0. Next second property, the determinant of orthogonal matrix is either minus 1 or 1. For example, consider the orthogonal matrix. See here A is equals to cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So clearly this is orthogonal matrix. What is orthogonal matrix? A into A transpose is equals to A transpose into A is equals to Y. So then only A is said to be orthogonal matrix. Now find the determinant of this orthogonal matrix. See here, determinant of A is equal to cos into cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So clearly determinant is 1. Therefore determinant of orthogonal matrix is 1. So see here another example. A is equals to minus cos alpha sin alpha cos alpha. So clearly this is also a orthogonal matrix. And find this determinant. So determinant of A is equals to what? Minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. So clearly this is equals to minus 1. Therefore determinant of orthogonal matrix either 1 or minus 1. So this is the second property of the determinant. So see the next one. Determinant of skew symmetric matrix of odd order is 0. So for example, consider any 3 by 3 order matrix. See here let A is equals to 3 by 3 order skew symmetric matrix. 0 A B, next minus A 0 C minus B minus C G. So this skew symmetric matrix is skew symmetric. Then find this determinant. See here what is the determinant of this? 0 minus A into delete the corresponding row, corresponding column. You will get BC. Next plus B into AC. So clearly this becomes 0. Therefore determinant of A is 0. So next one, determinant of Hermitian matrix is purely real. So for example, consider Hermitian matrix, that is A is equal to 3 minus 4i 3 plus 4i and 5. So clearly this is Hermitian matrix. Then find this determinant. So clearly determinant of A is equals to what? 15 minus A plus b into a minus, that is a square minus b square, 3 square minus 16i square. So clearly this is equals to what? 15 minus 9 here plus 16 into minus 16. So clearly you get minus 10. Therefore minus 10 is purely real. So from this we can say that determinant of formation matrix always real, that is purely real number. So next one, determinant of idempotent matrix is either 0 or 1. So what is idempotent matrix? If A is any square matrix, then A square is equals to A. Here A is said to be idempotent matrix. Now take determinant on both sides. So that is determinant of A square is equals to determinant of A. Here determinant of A square also write as determinant of A whole square minus determinant of A is equals to 0. So here determinant of A is common. You will get determinant of A minus 1 is equals to 0. So clearly determinant of A is equals to 0 or determinant of A minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore clearly determinant of A is equals to 1. So from this we can say that determinant of idempotent matrix either 0 or 1. So see the next property, determinant of involutory matrix is either minus 1 or 1. So here involutory matrix means if A is any square matrix, then A square is equals to I. So here A is said to be involutory matrix. Now find determinant. So here take determinant on both sides. Determinant of A square. So what is determinant of finite matrix? 1 only. So this can be written as determinant of A square minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is determinant of A plus 1 into determinant of A minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore clearly determinant of A is equals to minus 1 or determinant of A is equals to 1. So this is the determinant of involutory matrix is either minus 1 or 1. So these are the special properties of the determinants. The next one, derivative of determinants. So here let delta of x is equals to determinant of f1 of x, g1 of x and f2 of x, g2 of x. So where f1 of x, comma g1 of x, comma f2 of x and g2 of x are functions in terms of x. Now find derivative of this determinant. See here, derivative of determinant is denoted by delta dash of x is equals to derivative of first row plus derivative of the second row. So see here, that is f1 dash of x, g1 dash of x. Here f2 of x, g2 plus derivative of second row, that is f1 of x, g1 of x. Here f2 dash of x, g2 dash of x. Here derivative of the determinant can be written as derivative of the first row plus derivative of the second row. Okay, that is the derivative of the given determinant. So or derivative of the first column plus derivative of the second column. So that is delta dash of x, write as f1 dash of x, f2 dash of x. So write these two are asterisk, that is g1 of x, g2 of x. Next plus, so write first column asterisk, that is f1 of x, f2 of x. And do the derivative of second column, that is what g1 dash of x, g2 dash of x. So this is the derivative of the determinants. So next one, integration of the determinants. So here let delta of x is equals to f of x, g of x, a and b. Here where f of x and g of x are functions in terms of x. Now integration of determinant, that is, so therefore integration of L to m delta of x is what? Integration of the functions, that is integration of L to m f of x and integration of L to m g of x. So these are the a and b are constant, so write asterisk. So this is the integration of the determinants. Okay. So for example, f of x is equals to determinant of x square and x. Here 1, 2. Then find integration 1 to 2 f of x. So here this is what? Integration 1 to 2 f of x. So apply your integrations for functions only. So that is integration of 1 to 2x square and integration of 1 to 2x, and here 1. Now integration of x square is what? X cube by 3. This is x cube by 3 within the limits 1 to 2, and here x square by 2 within the limits 1 to 2 and 1 to 2. And here apply the limits. So this is what? 2 cube by 3, that is 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 7 by 3. Next here 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 and 1 2. So find this determinant, that is 14 by 3 minus 3 by 2. This is 28 minus 9. So 19 by 6. So this is the value of given determinant. So now you discuss few problems. See here. First one. So find this determinant value. See here, that is 24, 25, 26. 25, 26, 27, 26, 27, 27. So here you have to use row operations for finding the determinant. So see here, R2 changes to R2 minus R1. And again, R3 changes to R3 minus R. So what you get? 24, 25, 26. So 25 minus 24, 1. Here also 1. 27 minus 26, here also 1. Next 26 minus 24, 2, 2, 1. Now find this determinant. 24 into 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Minus 25 into minus 1. Plus 26 into 2 minus 2, that is 0. So clearly minus 24 plus 25, the value is 1. So clearly option 3. Next, see the second question. So find this determinant value. So here put a is equals to b is equals to 1. Then what you get? A minus b minus c, that is 1 minus 1 minus 1. You will get minus 1. Here 2, 2, next 2, minus 1, 2, 2, 2, minus. And find determinant. So minus 1 into 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6. Plus 2 into 4 plus 2. So this is minus into minus 3 plus 12 plus 12. So this is clearly 27. And verify the option here. Put A equal B equal C equals to 1 in first option. So what is the first option? 2 times of 3 cube. So clear, this is 27 into 2. So this is not possible. And the second option, that one also not possible. So third one also not possible. So put in fourth option. You will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 whole cube. This is 3 cube, that is 27. So clearly option 4. So next see the third solution. So here determinant of this is equals to P into lambda power 4 plus Q into lambda cube plus R lambda square plus S lambda plus T. Then you need to find the value of T. Okay. So here given. So this is the given thing. So from this you need to find the value of T. So clearly see here P, Q, R, S. These all terms are product with lambda. So clearly put lambda is equals to 0. Then we will get on RHS T value. So clearly on LHS also put lambda is equals to 0. So here put lambda is equals to 0. So what you get? This is 0, minus 1, 3, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 3, 4, 0. Is equal to this, all terms should be 0. You will get T value. Now find this determinant. 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 12. You get minus 12. Next to plus 3 into 4 plus 6. That is 10. Okay. Now here this is 30 minus 12. You will get 80. So clearly option 3. So here next one, fourth solution. Here A is given and determinant of A square is equals to 25. Then find mod alpha value. Okay. So see here A is equals to 5 phi alpha alpha 0 alpha phi alpha 0 0 5. Now find determinant of A. That is, here choose the first column for finding the determinant. Now we will get 5 into phi alpha. Here given determinant of A square is equals to 25. So this can be also written as determinant of A whole square is equals to 25. But what is determinant of A? That is 25 alpha. So 25 alpha whole square is equals to 25. So this is 25 square, alpha square is equals to 25. So 125 get cancelled. Now clearly alpha square is equals to 1 by 25. And alpha value is what? 1 by 5. So clearly what is the alpha value? 1 by 5. So you will get alpha value is plus or minus 1 by 5. Here mod alpha, that is mod minus 1 by 5 and mod 1 by 5. So both are 1 by 5. So clearly option 4. So see the next one. You want to find determinant of this value. So here all terms are sum of two terms. So you can reduce sum of two terms into single terms. So for that we have to do R2 changes, R2 minus R1. So here we get x get cancelled. You will get the single term. And similarly R3 minus R1. In that case also we will get single term. Here R3 implies R3 minus R1. Now this is what? X plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 4 minus x plus 2. That is 2, here 3, 4. Next 8 minus 2, 6, 11 minus 3, 8, 15 minus 5. Okay. Now find the this determinant value. X plus 2 into 30 minus 32, that is minus 2. So minus x plus 3 into 20 minus 24, that is minus 4, plus x plus 5 into 16 minus 18, that is minus 2. Okay. So clear, this is what? Minus 2x minus 4, next here minus into minus, plus 4x plus 12. Next here minus 2x minus 2. So clearly x term should be get cancelled. Minus 14 plus 12, this is minus 2. So clearly option 4. So next see the sixth solution. A is not equals to 6 and B and C satisfying this determinant. Then you need to find the value of ABC. So this is the given thing. Now find this determinant. So what you get? A into B square minus AC. Next one, minus 2B into 3B minus 4C. Okay. Next plus 2C into 3A minus 4B is equals to 0. So this is what? AB square minus A square C minus 6B square. Next one, plus 8BC. Next this one, plus 6AC minus 8BC is equals to 0. So clearly 8BC get cancelled here. Here from first and third term, B square is common. You get A minus 6. Here minus A square C plus 6AC. In both terms minus AC is common. You will get A minus 6 is equals to 0. And see here A minus 6 is common. You will get B square minus AC is equals to 0. But here A minus 6 is not equals to 0. See here A minus 6 is not equals to 0. Therefore B square minus AC equals to 0. From this B square is equals to what? AC. So multiplying B on both sides. So what you get? ABC is equals to BQ. So clearly option 3. So see the next one. Seventh solution. So your matrix A is given. Then find limit n tends to infinity 1 by n. Determinant of A n is 1. So first you need to find determinant of A. See here A is equals to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Next find determinant of A. So determinant of A is what? Cos square plus sin square, that is 1. So you know that determinant of A power n, write as determinant of A whole to the power of n, that is 1 to the power of n is 1. So clearly determinant of A to the power of n value is 1. So therefore limit n tends to infinity 1 by n into determinant of n is what? 1. So clearly n tends to infinity, 1 by infinity becomes 0. So clearly option 2. So next see the second solution. So that is the 8th one. Here AK is given, then find determinant of A1 plus determinant of A2 and so on determinant of A 2015. So first find determinant of AK. that is k into k square minus k minus 1 into k minus 1, that is k minus 1 whole square. So clear, this is k square minus k square minus 1 plus 2. So clearly determinant of ak is what? 2k minus 1. If you substitute k is equals to 1, so what you get? You get determinant of a1. So therefore determinant of a1 plus determinant of a2 and so on, determinant of a 2015 is what? Determinant of a1, replace k by 1, you get 2 minus 1, that is 1. Next to 2, replace k by 2, 4 minus 1. Next a3, you will get 5 and so on. Next to 2015, that is 2 into 2015, that is 4030 minus 1, you will get 4029. So clearly here sum of the odd numbers whose formula is n square. So what is n value? 2015. So we will get 2015 whole square. So clearly option 3. So next see the ninth solution. So given 0 cos x minus sin x and sin x 0 cos x sin x 0. So whole square value is given, that is 1 minus a minus a1a a1. Now find the value of it. So this can be written as 0 cos x minus sin x and sin x 0 cos x sin x 0 into, again write as 0 cos x minus sin x 0 cos x, so cos x sin x 0 is equals to what? 1 minus a minus a1a a1. So you know that determinant of a can be written as determinant of a transpose. So both are equal. So that is the property of the determinant. Next, clearly this can be written as here 0 cos x minus sin x. Next to sin x 0 cos x sin x 0. So transpose of this determinant. So clear, that is what? 0 sin x cos x. Next one cos x 0 sin x minus sin x cos x 0 is equals to 1 minus a minus a1a a. Now equate in the corresponding elements. See here, you need to find the value of a. So that's why here you can find first row second element, that is multiplying first row with the second column. So what you get? 0 into sin x 0, cos x into 0 0, next minus sin x into cos x, so minus sin x cos x. So what is the first row second element? Minus a. Therefore a is equals to what? Sin x cos x. Okay. So clearly option 3. See the next one. Determinant of this value is k, then find determinant of this value. So see here given 6a 2b 2c 3m np 3x yz. So you need to find this value. So clearly from first column 3 is common, so write 3 outside, then it becomes 2a m x here 2b 2c n p y z. And again from first row 2 is common, So clearly 3 into 2, 6. A, B, C, M, N, P, X, Y, Z. What is this value? K. So clear this is what? 6K. So clearly option 4. So for next session we will discuss more concept and problems.